सगळ्यात व्हडलो विशय म्हणजे तो म्हापशाची आतां गार्बेज. आतां आमी पळयलां की जे हावजींग बोर्ड हांगासर जो प्लांट आसलो तो खंय तरी आतां बंद जाल्लो आसा आनी आतां रितसर जी गार्बेज आसा पळय ती सेग्रिगेट जायना. हांवें म्हापसा एंटरान पळयलां की कलेक्शनूय सारकें गार्बेजचें जायना. शेट्ये वाड्यार पळयलें की आतां 15 दीस जाले गार्बेज तशाक तशी आहा. बागायदारा कडेन पळयत जाल्यार 10 दीस जाले सर गार्बेज तशें सरावंडींग म्हापसान. सो कितें प्रॉब्लम आसा त्या गार्बेजचो?
Every day there is a garbage drive that takes place. I have done 2 or 3 meetings with the Honorable Chairperson of MAPSA, Mrs. Priya Mishal. She has set a team of people. They have also started fining at key points. Most importantly, all the borders जे आमचे शीम असतात प्रत्येक शिमेचेर लोक येवन थंय कचरो उडयतात. They have fined a good amount of people. They have collected a good amount of income in terms of fines, and they will continue this drive. With regards to collection, हांव एक्सेप्ट करता की 100% कलेक्शन सारकें जायना, कारण आमचे लेबर जे आसा ते सारके कामाक येना. अल्टिमेटली इट इज आमी सगळे रायट एफिशियन्सी. वी आर वर्किंग एट shortfalls, how to come up, match up the gaps that are there with regards to the labor. It is a continuous effect. Immediately आमकां दिसपाक येवचें ना, but within the next 2 months I expect a lot of relief. Outsourcing of garbage collection file has also been approved by the Department of Urban Development. I think that tender will go out soon and we will have somebody to that was a single tender. I think that agency will be able to operate soon.
सर म्हापसा म्युनिसिपालिटी खातीर कमी पडले गार्बेजच्या मॅटरान.
It is not only Mapsa Municipal Council. It is a labor problem that we can see in all municipalities. When I took up this issue with Directorate of Municipal Administration, तेंच्यांनी आमकां सांगलेलें आसा सर फक्त म्हापशान ना पण प्रत्येक म्युनिसिपालिटीन सेम विषय आसा, प्रत्येक पंचायतीन सेम विषय. Either the government should allow Goa Waste Management Corporation to handle garbage of entire Goa, or find some other solution to do the same, because individually we are not having the expertise. आमी सगळे जाण we have not studied that subject. It's a very scientific subject. हांव सांगीत आसता, it is not everybody's capacity to understand waste management.
But sir, don't you think that when garbage is an issue, it puts a wrong name for the city?
Of course. See, like a few months ago, there was a discussion about why everybody is coming and throwing. Maybe the garbage collection in other surrounding areas are not proper. त्या कारणाक लोक येवन हांगा उडयता. We have set up this waste disposal centers also. We have started one right in front of Union Pharmacy. We are starting another one in Ekta Nagar Housing Board. We are going to start another one in Kucheli area. So we will have all these waste collection centers all over Mapsa. 4 to 6 waste collection centers is the goal that I have in mind for the city. So that way लोकूय वचोन थंय डिपॉझिट करूंक शकता आपलो कचरो.
Sir, like now you mentioned about the labor, like less of labor coming collecting the garbage. Any solution in the pipeline, like whatever you have said?
See, our local people don't want to do this work. My earlier question was about migrants coming in.
Yes.
Somebody will have to do that work. आमचे लोकल लोक आसा पळय ते काम करूंक सोदिना. Nobody wants to do garbage collection. Nobody wants to do that kind of job. So we will have to find people from outside. Otherwise, I'll be very happy if somebody can come and provide us the right type of labor to do this job. I will immediately take those people on board and help them. The salary also is very good for those people who are doing that job.
सर हावजींग बोर्डान आतां प्लांट बंद जाल्ल्या कारणान आतां सगळो गार्बेज आसा पळय ती वयतली सालिगांव प्लांटार. कशें मॅनेज जातलें आतां?
We are doing some segregation of waste in Asgaon. In Asgaon, that plant is closed down. We have moved it to Kucheli, and most of the other things are going to Saligaon at GWMC's plant.
Yes.
So it is a long-term process. Within the next 3 months or so, by end of June, we will have all of it in order. I hope that by June, we will not have the same garbage situation that we have here right now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.